This glass pitcher is a great addition for serving drinks at parties, gatherings, or even daily meals. It features a thoughtfully designed spout for a smooth, easy pouring without drips. The sturdy glass construction feels solid in the hand and is designed to handle frequent use. The included lid helps keep your beverages fresh and protected, which is especially useful when serving outdoors. It's ideal for a variety of drinks like water, lemonade, iced tea, and more. Whether you're hosting or just looking for a reliable pitcher for everyday use, this one blends practically